The first question this evening will be, what are infrastructure improvements you see necessary, and how will they be funded?
The infrastructure improvements that I see which need to be funded and which I think are of primary concern to me are the antiquated water and sewage system in our community. Our water and sewage system continuously breaks down. There is continuously patchwork done, and I think it's completely wasteful. As far as what can be done, I think inefficiencies in the city government need to be corrected. Funds need to be taken out. Now, in the long run, I think the amount needed to correct our water and sewage system is a huge amount, and the little collections from inefficiencies in our city government will not cover it. So I think we will have to resort to some other issues and some other ways of getting the money, and one of them can be flotation of bonds. It's a hard topic, and I think it's a little bit of concern. Certainly, we don't want to raise our taxes. I think citizens are already overburdened by the taxes. I'm not one for raising taxes, but I think that is one of the ways of doing it. Another one way that I do feel is that we do have a hotel tax, which is still lower in our community compared to surrounding areas. And I think part of the hotel tax can be raised. The hotel tax certainly does not affect the city residents, and even if you raise it a small amount, like 2%, it really doesn't even affect, and one doesn't really feel it amongst the residents who will come and stay at the hotel. Average hotel room price being about $69. If you raise it by 2%, we still are at about $70.50 or so. So I think those are the ways of correction, and that is my thought about it. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hodge.